Ready to conquer rocks and rough terrain like a pro? These RC rock crawlers will take your adventures to the next level. The Spobot RC Truck 4 WD Rock Crawler immediately caught my attention with its robust design and affordable price. Right out of the box, it feels solid and well built, boasting four-wheel drive that really helps it tackle rough terrains with surprising ease. Have you ever struggled with RC trucks that just can't grip on rocky surfaces? This one handles them with confidence. Its suspension system allows the wheels to flex independently, which means it adapts smoothly to uneven ground and obstacles. The remote control is straightforward, making it perfect for both beginners and casual hobbyists who want a reliable crawler without overcomplicating things. Driving the Spobot feels like having a true off-road companion. You get a tactile sense of control and enough power to climb moderate rocks and slopes without constantly getting stuck. It's satisfying to see how it maneuvers tight spots with agility. One thing to keep in mind is that the battery life is decent but not exceptional. If you're planning extended sessions, having a spare battery is a good idea. The RedCat Racing RC Rock Crawler stands out immediately as a more premium option for serious enthusiasts. It's clear from the start, this model is engineered for performance, with high-quality components and a design that screams durability. Have you ever wished your crawler could handle the toughest trails without hesitation? This one is built exactly for that. Featuring a powerful motor, solid axles, and an advanced suspension, it glides over obstacles that would stop lesser models in their tracks. The detailed chassis and rugged tires provide excellent traction and stability, even on slippery or loose surfaces. Using the RedCat is a thrill. It delivers smooth, precise control and enough torque to conquer steep inclines. You get the feeling of a true off-road machine in miniature, making every crawl a rewarding challenge. If there's a small downside, it's the price, which is higher than entry-level models. However, the investment pays off in durability and performance for those who want more serious crawling action. The WPLRC Rock Crawler is a neat little surprise that balances affordability and functionality very well. It immediately impressed me with its compact but sturdy frame and the attention to detail in its design. Who said you need to spend a fortune to enjoy a decent rock crawler? This model features a reliable four-wheel drive system and flexible suspension that lets it adapt to various terrains smoothly. The tires have good grip, helping it climb rocks and bumps without slipping excessively. The controller is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to maneuver even for newcomers. What I enjoyed most was how this crawler feels nimble and responsive, giving you a good sense of control without overwhelming complexity. It's perfect for casual crawlers who want to enjoy the thrill of off-road challenges without fuss. One minor note is that the plastic parts could be a bit more robust for very rough play, so gentle handling will extend its life. The Blue Jay RC Car Rock Crawler caught my eye as a budget-friendly crawler that doesn't compromise on basic performance. Right from the start, it offers a solid build and a four-wheel drive system that manages to tackle moderate obstacles quite well. Ever tried an RC crawler that just spins its wheels without grip? This one avoids that frustration nicely. Its suspension setup is flexible enough to absorb bumps and keep the tires in contact with the ground, which is key for steady climbing. The compact size makes it convenient to carry around, and the remote control is straightforward for users of all ages. Driving the Blue Jay feels rewarding because it offers enough power and responsiveness to make crawling an engaging activity rather than a frustrating one. It's especially enjoyable in light off-road scenarios or backyard rock piles. However, the crawler's top speed isn't very high, so if you're looking for a faster rock crawler, this might feel a bit slow. The Gakora large-size RC rock crawler impressed me right away with its bigger-than-average frame and sturdy look. It's obvious this crawler is designed to stand out and handle larger obstacles with ease. Have you ever wished for a crawler that feels more substantial and stable on tricky terrain? Gakora delivers just that. Its four-wheel drive and strong suspension system work together to conquer rough landscapes, while the oversized tires provide extra grip and cushioning. The remote control responds well, allowing you to carefully navigate complex rock formations without losing control. Using the Gakora gives a more immersive experience because its size and weight lend a realistic feel to your crawling adventures. It's satisfying to see it climb bigger obstacles that smaller models might shy away from. On the downside, the charger could be faster, meaning you might wait longer between runs. The Crobel RC rock crawler is an impressive option for those on a tight budget who still want a decent crawling experience. Out of the box, I noticed how compact yet capable it felt, with a design focused on durability and ease of use. Isn't it great when a crawler proves that quality doesn't always mean expensive? This model includes a competent four-wheel drive system and flexible suspension, helping it adjust to uneven surfaces with relative ease. The tires have a good tread pattern that holds well on rocky terrain, and the controls are simple enough for beginners. Driving the Crobel felt surprisingly fun. It handled small rocks and bumps with confidence and didn't bog down easily. It's a reliable little crawler for casual use and learning the ropes of off-road remote driving. The only minor drawback is that the range of the remote could be a bit better for wider outdoor spaces. The Hyperg H16PL RC rock crawler is a standout in the mid-range category, offering a blend of power, control, and durability that caught my attention quickly. From the first use, it felt like a serious machine designed for real crawling enthusiasts. Have you ever wanted a crawler that can handle both technical climbs and fast maneuvers? This one fits the bill. Equipped with a strong motor, high-traction tires, and an adjustable suspension, the Hyperg maneuvers tricky obstacles with ease and maintains excellent stability. The detailed chassis and quality materials give it a premium feel, while the ergonomic controller offers precise handling. Using the H16PL is genuinely exciting. It responds instantly to commands, and you can feel the torque pushing you up steep rocks or through tight crevices. It's a crawler that invites you to challenge yourself and improve your skills. The only slight downside is that it's a bit heavier than some entry models, which means it's less suited for very young kids.